everyone, welcome back to Gear Choice. If you're in the market for an unbeatable ride, then you're in the right place. Today we're showcasing the EU-UK Stock 48V 2400W dual motor electric scooter, a game changer in the world of electric scooters. With a powerful 2400W dual motor and a high-capacity 21Ah lithium battery, this scooter offers an impressive range of 60 to 70 kilometers on a single charge. That's right, folks, long rides and zero worries about running out of power. Plus, it's foldable. Perfect for those who need to transport their scooter or store it away easily. And with a top speed of 50 to 55 kilometers per hour, you'll be cruising around town in style. Equipped with 10-inch air tires and front and rear disc brakes, this scooter is designed for a smooth and safe ride. The maximum load capacity of 150 kg ensures it's built to handle various riders comfortably. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or just having fun, this electric scooter has you covered. And the best part, it's available with duty-free fast shipping across Europe. That's right, enjoy fast, duty-free shipping to countries like Germany, Spain, France, Italy, and many more. And for our savvy shoppers, if you purchase 10 or more pieces, you'll get an extra 5% off. Don't miss out on this fantastic offer. Click the link in the description to grab your scooter now and ride into the future with Gear Choice. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling us what you think. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome gear reviews and deals. Until next time, ride safely and gear up.